Hi, I'm Jenna, owner of the Yogi Nest. We offer alternative and holistic healing through mindful movement and mindset coaching in Los Angeles and online. Today, we're going to be doing my favorite breathing exercise. It's called 10 count breathing. This exercise is deeply grounding and can quickly help you get centered and find a state of calm and relaxation. The version I'll be teaching you today is the one I found to be the most accessible to my clients over the last 5 years. In this version, you'll count your inhale as 1, exhale as 2, and so on and so forth until you reach 10, and then we'll start all over again at 1 for several rounds. I'll guide you every step of the way. I love this breathing exercise. You can do it anytime and anywhere. No one will even notice. I use this exercise when I fly, as I'm terrified of flying, and it works like a charm. It's also really helpful if you're trying to fall asleep. Think of it like counting sheep as you breathe yourself into a deep slumber. You'll be asleep before you know it. It's great for relieving stress and can be extremely helpful during moments of high anxiety as it refocuses the mind and brings you back to the present moment. You don't need any experience for today's practice, just a comfortable place to sit or lie down with little to no distractions. If you've never done breathwork before, you might want to check out my meditation called Introduction to Breathwork, where I discuss what breathwork is, how it can help you, and provide a short breathing exercise to get you started. I also have longer versions of today's exercise and a 3-part Breathwork Meditation Series called 4-4 Breathing that works wonders for stress and anxiety. That being said, find a comfortable place to sit or lie down and let's get started. Determine whether you'll be most comfortable sitting or lying down, and then make sure your spine is straight, allowing for air to easily flow in and out of your lungs. If it feels comfortable and safe for you, you may close your eyes. If not, you may gaze down at the tip of your nose or focus on a fixed spot on a wall, floor, or even the palms of your hands. Allow the neck to be relaxed by drawing your shoulders down away from your ears. Relax your face, eyes, and jaw. Switch your focus to the points of contact between your body and the support beneath you. Knowing that it's there, see if you can allow your body to release a bit more, melting into that support. Let your breath be slow and long, filling the whole space between your belly button and collarbones. Placing one hand on your lower belly and one on your upper chest can help you connect more deeply with your body. Get grounded and centered by feeling the rise and fall of your breath beneath your hands. We'll start by taking one deep breath together to help settle and clear the mind. We'll be inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Really allow yourself to let everything go on your exhale, maybe even allowing the exhale to be audible. Start your inhale now. Good. Now return to normal breathing, inhaling and exhaling through your nose. If you find yourself feeling lightheaded during this exercise, slow the breath down or come back to your normal breathing pattern until it passes. Then jump back in and continue to breathe as I count. If you find you've wandered off, just come back to the sound of my voice and continue to count with me. As you breathe, be aware of physical and mental sensations without judgment or trying to change anything. Feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed and allow the breath to be long and slow. Let's begin counting, starting on an inhale. Inhale 1. Exhale 2. Inhale 3. Exhale 4. Inhale 5. Exhale 6. Inhale 7. Exhale 8. Inhale 9. Exhale 10. Inhale 1. Exhale 2. Inhale 3. Exhale 4. Inhale 5. Exhale 6. Inhale 7. Exhale 8. Inhale 9. Exhale 10. Inhale 1. Exhale 2. Inhale 3. Exhale 4. Inhale 5. Exhale 6. Inhale 7. Exhale 8. Inhale 9. Exhale 10. Good. Now return to normal breathing, inhaling and exhaling through your nose. Take a moment to scan your body from the top of your head all the way down to your toes, and notice how different you feel now, both physically and emotionally. Notice how much more calm and relaxed your body feels. Notice the shift in your thoughts, feelings, and emotions. You can begin to bring some small movements back into your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, you can open your eyes or drift off to sleep. Come back to this meditation anytime you need to get more grounded and centered, when you're in need of deep relaxation, when you need help falling asleep, or when you need help fighting off the symptoms of stress and anxiety. Remember that your breath is accessible to you anytime and anywhere, and that it's a powerful healing tool when you're in need. I'd love to know how this meditation went for you, or to answer any questions that came up for you during this practice. I also welcome meditation requests. I'm here to help. Take care.